Hello guys, my name is Jayesh Wangre. I'm second year MBA student of SAS Institute of Management Study. My today's presentation is based on service inventory management. So we'll start for the presentation. Service inventory management definition. Service inventory is a governed and standardized collection of service that completely sync with each other within a boundary, which represents to enterprises or a portion of it. Essentially, a service inventory is a collection of internal service such as a communication and process improvement services that allow an organization to rapidly react to a customer demand and offer greater quality, speed, and performance to its customer at responsible prices. A service product can be viewed as a bundle of goods and services. Inventory plays a very important role in a services. Most of the services take good or material as inputs like food joints, maintenance and repair services to provide service bundles. Unlike its manufacturing sector where inventories decouple productions until and customers in service customer interact and part of service encounter. Providing incorrect service or no service due to the unavailability of output material may result in loss of customer forever. In services, there is no option or of back ordering. There is always a risk of losing customer of competitors. Type of services. Service inventory. There are two type of service inventories: facilitating goods and work storage. We'll move on the next slide. Facilitating goods are material or items purchased or consumed by the buyers and or providers by the customers. We'll take an example for the same. Uh, Food items in aeroplane and legal documents in real estate. Facilitating goods are which are given as or along with the core services. So here I have shown you one table of service organization of facility goods. For retailer, consumable goods; for airline, food and beverages; restaurant, prepaid or ready to eat food beverages; maintenance and repair stores; consumers goods and repair parts. We'll move for next slide. Work storage based on informations. So work storage based on information is a type of inventory where some amount of work can be completed and stored by a customer before a customer arrives and demand for the services. It reduces the waiting time of customers. Some of example we'll take here are shows in table. Um, Unlike the manufacturing where physically resources are stored, the services inventory is based on the work storage is viewed as all process steps required to be complete before the arrival of a customer. These steps are incomplete in anticipation of the customer of demand. Here in my screen, if you see one small table, here service organization of work storage has been given. For real estate, legal documents is work storage. For publishers, books and magazines are work storage. And for consulting, forms and reports are the work storage. We'll go for next slide. Forms of service inventory. The service organization can have inventory as input service inventory, which is a process to produce output service inventory. Both forms can have inventories of facilitating goods types or information based work storage inventory type. In services, the inputs from and outputs from of the service inventory can be of the same type or may have different type of show in table. Please see the below table. If you see same form input and output service inventory. Service inventory, here is the service inventory, input, output and type of service inventory. So in PVR theaters, Ticket is an input, and ticket is a output also is a ticket. But type of service inventory is information based. Banks, in banks, cash or gold is the input and cash and gold is the output. But facilities goods is a type of inventory is facility goods. In real estate, input is a real estate, output is also real estate, but is a type of inventory is facility goods and facilitating goods. Different forms of input and output service inventory as below. Restaurant, in restaurant, input is a raw material, output is a cook food, and it's a type of services inventory is facilitating goods. In newspaper, input is paper or ink, output is newspaper, and it is information based service inventory. So we'll go for next slide. Example of service inventory based on work storage. The registration forms at hospital generated by the system automatically. The tools required to set up and run online actions like BA, eBay, etc. In the insurance sector, the life insurance agent have a tools equipped with the software which after entering the age of client and the policy period requested by the client generates automatically the sum assured and returns. Service inventory in the forms the database presents extreme economies of scale. For any service creation, database can be very expensive, but once the database is already incremental, cost of addition required to the establishment database provide extreme economic of scales. So here we finish the PPT. Thank you so much.